Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arina Nur. My student ID number is 20400122048. Okay, now I will explain about language in psycholinguistic perspective. So, number one is language in the linguistic perspective. In linguistics, language is seen as a system of rules and patterns that help us communicate. First is phonology. Phonology is linguist study sound, and the third is morphology. Morphology is how we form words, and the third is syntax, how we create sentences, and the fifth is semantic. Semantic is meaning of words and sentences. And the last is pragmatic. Pragmatic, how language is used in real life situations. Okay, now language in the psycholinguistic perspective. In psycholinguistic, language is viewed as a mental process. It focuses on how our brain understands, process, and learning language. Psycholinguistic study how we think and use language, how we process speech and sentences in real time, and how children learn to speak and understand language naturally. Okay, psycholinguistic perspective in terms of three is first is language production, and second is language perception. The last is language acquisition. Nah, language production. This is how we create language. Either by speaking or writing. It includes thinking of what we want to say, choosing the right words, putting them in the right order, and then speaking or writing them. And the second is language perception. This is how we understanding language. It involves recognizing sound or writing words, figuring out what they mean, and interpreting sentences. Okay, the last is language acquisition. This is how we learn language, especially how children pick up the first pick up their first language. It involves learning the sounds, words, and rules of language. And now different and sameness of the three language uses. The difference is linguist studies, language structure and rules, while psycholinguistic focuses on how the brain processes and uses language. And the sameness is both linguist and psycholinguistic study how we use language, but linguistic focus on rule, and psycholinguistic look at mental process. Okay, at last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.